Majapahit, Majapahit, sure it is Majapahit, Tourism Academy.
Now we are going to move on to our crispy chicken steak. We are going to start by cutting our chicken breast into half lengthwise. Cindy, can you please cut it for me? While she is cutting the chicken breast, we are going to start by mixing the crispy chicken flour. First, we are going to combine the flour with the cornstarch. To make our chicken really crispy and has a lot of crispy bits on it, we are going to make a bit of a slurry so that we can dip the chicken into the slurry and then back into the flour. That's enough. Mix until everything is incorporated. Next, we are going to take our chicken and coat it with flour first. Fry until the chicken is cooked and golden brown in color. While we are waiting for our chicken to cook, we are going to start making the mushroom sauce. First, the ingredients are demi-glace, button mushroom, onion, and a little bit of butter. To make the sauce, we are going to start off by melting the butter. Robert, can you turn it on, please? Saute the onion until it is fragrant, and then we're going to add the button mushroom. Now we are going to put the button mushroom in. After the mushroom are slightly wilted, we are going to put the demi-glace in. Now we are going to check if the chicken is cooked. As you can see, the chicken is beautifully golden brown and it's thoroughly cooked. Now we are going to start to plate the food. Next, we have some vegetables, some broccoli and some carrots. We're going to plate that as well. Then we're putting our crispy chicken steak on top of it. And then we're going to finish it with the sauce on the top. There you have it. Crispy chicken steak with mushroom sauce.
Majapahit Tourism Academy.